In this tutorial, we will discuss how to apply for our Residential Service Connection SEP Use Only permit. Please log into your WSSC ePermitting website as usual. Click Log On in the right-hand corner of the screen. Enter your email address and password, then click Log On again. On your home screen, select Other Permits. On this drop-down, you are able to select Service Connection, Abandonment, Meter Vault, or even perform a permit search. In this example, we will discuss how to apply for our Residential Service Connection SEP Use Only permit. Please note that this example can also be used for other permits on this drop-down, including Meter Vault and Abandonment, as they are very similar in process. Please proceed by choosing the permit of your choice. Please note that the ePermitting system cannot save an application that is in progress. So if you would like to start an application, you must complete it at this time. The fields with a red circle next to them are required for entry. Please enter the information to the best of your ability with accurate information so that WSSC can expedite your permit process. Please fill out the fields as applicable. Although these fields do not have a required icon, they are required for entry. They are applicable for the service connection you are applying for, so please do not proceed without entering your water and sewer job contract number. And please do not forget to scroll down using your navigation bar at the right-hand side of the screen to make sure that you have entered all the information as applicable. Once you have completed the given fields, click Next. After you have clicked Next, enter the rest of the information to the best of your ability. Make sure that you have entered everything on the given page, then click Next. Again, please note that the fields with a red circle next to them are required for entry. The fields without a red circle are not required for entry. However, if you are knowledgeable of the information, please enter it if possible. Also note that at any given time during your application, you are able to go back by clicking Previous. If you would like to provide any additional comments, please do so at this point. Then click Next. You will then be asked to enter the job site property address. Once you have reached the search address screen, we highly encourage you to read the instructions on how to search for an address. For example, click on Search Addresses at the bottom of the screen, enter only the street number and the street name. An example would be 123 Main Street of the actual job site address. Then click Search. Please note if the job site address is not found, you will need to search for a nearby address to get you as close as possible to the property of your job site address. When the nearby address is found, select it and overwrite the nearby address information with your job site address information. Do not click Search again. Click Next to continue to the next page. If you have any questions regarding applying for permits, please call WSSC Permit Services Unit at 301-206-4003. In this example, I will click Search Addresses, and in the street number and name, I will enter 6 David Court. Then I will click Search. Please scroll to the right side of the screen to make sure that this is the correct address. Then click the yellow folder to select the address. If any information is incorrect, you will now be asked to enter contact information and editing the information. Once you have selected an address, click Next. The person applying for the permit is automatically added as a contact to the permit application. Therefore, you do not need to select yourself. Proxy users must add their principal masters. And please note, any person wishing to make an online payment for permit fees must register for a user ID and password in the ePermitting system. All registered users will be made available under Contacts after initial verification by the WSSC personnel. To add a contact, click the search button, enter the first and last name or any partial information. When your person is found, click on the yellow folder icon to select the contact. Indicate a contact type, for example an owner, applicant, etc. Then indicate the person as a billing contact if applicable. You must select all potential persons who may make an online payment for this permit. To add additional contacts, click Search again. Click Next. You are now able to add any supporting documentation at this point. Click Add Attachment, select the file of your choice by selecting Upload File, click Open. The file is now attached. You can also add additional comments if you would like, under the Notes field. Click Finish. Your data has been submitted to WSSC and is now being processed. Please click OK to close the message.